I swear guys, I just can't help myself in buying new phones. So this year I've got the Pixel 9. Decided to get the Pixel 9 instead of the Pixel 9 Pro, the Pixel 9 Pro XL, because there was a really good trade-in deal for this phone where if you trade in a basic iPhone 12, which is what I have right here, I bought this for the sole purpose of trading it in. I bought it used to get this one for free. I have a problem, you guys. So I don't need this phone. I have the Pixel 8 Pro, and this phone is fantastic. This phone is still really, really good phone. I have no need for the Pixel 9, but I tell myself I'm gonna make videos with this, which I guess this is me trying to fulfill that promise. I'm gonna make this video, and I'm going to make more videos about this phone, and hopefully it justifies me buying this phone. So today, let's go ahead and do a little unboxing of this. This is the Pixel 9 in the obsidian color, I want to say. Basically, it's black. I decided this year I want to get a boring color. I've been getting all the nice pretty colors. This is the bay color from last year's Pixel 8 Pro. But this year, I wanted to go ahead and get the boring one. I gotta say, though, this packaging is really nice. Like, I didn't expect them to have a black box for the regular one. It does have these two weird tabs in the back. It's weird because the box looks like it's going to slide out. So not entirely sure how that works, but let's open it up. So got these tabs, so you pull them off. Oh, it pulls off like some part that's stuck to it. Okay, so you do that on both sides, and now the box can slide out of the sleeve. Oh, okay, it's a little tight. That is a tight box. All right, so once you take this off, it's actually a pretty generic looking box on this side. I don't know how much I like this. It's kind of cool, I guess. It seems like a recycled cardboard box, which I appreciate that. So getting that open. So on this side, we've of course got the phone right there. And on the other side, we've got a little packet of information. I gotta say, this case feels like it's all made of like recycled cardboard. It's kind of nice to see. So let's get this phone up on out of here. This feels nice. This is like, it's heavy. Compared to like the iPhone 12, this is way heavier. And then inside, of course, you've got the USB-C to USB-C cable. I see this year they're no longer including the USB-C to USB-A dongle that they have done pretty much every year since. I've got so many of those dongles just hanging around. This is also like an interesting pattern that they put into the USB-C cable. Don't know why. Oops. All right, let's put all that aside. Let's just get to the phone. So this is wrapped in a little paper thing, paper sleeve. Seems like you can just, I don't want to rip it. I don't know why, I just like saving these things. All right, pretty much ripped it anyways. So here is the phone. Right there, and the obsidian color. It's very nice. The back is not frosted. That is something that's really nice about this, is it's a frosted case. It does make it more slippery, but this is gonna be a little bit of fingerprint magnet. Luckily, black doesn't exactly show fingerprints that much, I think. That's pretty good. It's not picking up fingerprints from my hand at all. Really nice. There are upgraded cameras on this, which I'm excited to try out. The nice thing about this is the main and the ultra wide this time are the same as the Pro cam phones. So I'm really excited about that. Let's go ahead and power this on. I gotta say, last year I really appreciated that they went to a bit of a flatter side with the screen for the Pixel 8 Pro. This year though, like the screen always used to like curve in at the edges. This year, you don't have that. It's very much just a flat display, and it feels premium. It's just a feeling, but it feels premium. I don't know if the screen is any better. In fact, this screen should be very similar to the one on the Pixel 8 Pro. If I'm not mistaken, they get just as bright. Also, this obviously has the new G4 processor. This has the G3. It had 12 gigabytes of RAM, and this one also now has 12 gigabytes of RAM to run all those AI models. Let's just compare it to this right here. This is the iPhone. It's bigger than the iPhone 12. This is a 4-year-old phone, but I gotta say, can I just say, the iPhone, in terms of hardware, really holds up. This is a 4-year-old phone, and it feels a lot like this one. Also, this one feels a little bit more premium. It's just a little bit more heft to it and all that, but it feels premium. Also, if you guys have never done this, you know when every time it bounces, it has this like amazing haptic feedback every single time it bounces. So there it is. The Pixel phone is turned on. Let's just go ahead and get this started. I'll take a little bit of time to set this up. I gotta scan this QR code so I can sign in with my phone. And look at that, they're connected. Now it's just gonna verify. It's gonna do the PIN stuff. And I'll get all my stuff transferred over. So let's talk about the Pixel 9 and why I've always said this from the beginning, from the start of like the Pixel 6 onward. I've always felt like the Pixel 6, the Pixel 7, the Pixel 8, and now the Pixel 9, they're just the better valued phones. For like $200 or $300 in some cases, you're not getting that much more with the Pro phone. The only reason I got the Pro phone last year was because you got the Pixel Watch 2 upgrade free with it. So I wanted to get this and the Pixel Watch 2 just to compare with what, again, I was promised myself I'd made videos, I never did, but here we are. The Pixel Watch 2 that came with this was a $350 value that came free. So I was like, all right, let's just go ahead and go spend the money on the Pro just so I can get the watch as well, because I was going to buy it anyways, and I got it. I don't think I need the watch this year. I've got the Pixel Watch 2 still waiting for me. I'm actually not even wearing the Pixel Watch 2. This is actually like a 4-year-old watch that I'm wearing that I kind of like better because it has better battery life. I'm talking more about that in another video, but yeah. So I've always felt like the non-Pro models have been like the best deals you can get, and especially when you can get in like good trade-in values and things like that. I think definitely if you're in the market for a phone, for a new Pixel phone, and I do still like Pixel phones a lot, the Pixel 9 is the way to go. So yeah, this was just a quick little brief unboxing. I'm gonna have a lot more videos about this phone, I hope, soon. So stay tuned, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.